السلام علیکم ناظرین، ہائی ٹیک نیوز کے خبر نامے میں آپ کا خیر مقدم ہے۔ میں ہوں نیہا خان۔ نظر ڈالتے ہیں آج کی اہم خبروں پر۔
باوقار جنوبی ہند سائنس میلہ 2026 ساؤتھرن انڈیا سائنس فیئر 2026 کا گیڈیم انٹرنیشنل اسکول کولور رام چندر پورم منڈل سنگا ریڈی ضلع میں پروگرام منعقد ہوا۔ 5 ریاستوں آندھرا پردیش، کیرلا، تمل ناڈو، کرناٹک، تلنگانہ اور پڈوچیری یونین کے اساتذہ اس میں شامل ہوئے۔ اس سلسلے میں اسکول ایجوکیشن کے اعزازی ڈائریکٹر ڈاکٹر ای نوین نیکولس اور معزز ڈائریکٹر ایس ای آر ٹی اور جی رمیش نے بھی اس میں شرکت کی اور انتظامات کی نگرانی کی تھی اور گڈیم اسکول کا بھی دورہ کیا گیا تھا۔ بعد ازاں اس پروگرام کے دوران طلباء نے بہترین مظاہرہ اور رقص بھی پیش کیا جس سے سامعین محظوظ ہوئے۔
వరుస ప్రకారంగా సిద్ధంగా ఉండాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం। శ్రీ చైతన్య హై స్కూల్, జడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ తెల్లాపూర్, సత్యసాయి డాన్స్ అకాడమీ, గాడియం స్కూల్, యూపీఎస్ పుట్టుగూడ, మంజిరా హై స్కూల్ ఈ వరుసలో సిద్ధం। కమిషనర్ డిఎస్సి శ్రీ డాక్టర్ ఏ నికోలస్, విఐటిఎం డైరెక్టర్ సిఇఓ రామకృష్ణారెడ్డి గారిని
pattern in 2026, and it is with great pride that we are hosting it today in Sangareddy district and in Gaudium School. We welcome you all to this program, and we are very happy. Cream of the entire South, the scientific cream of the South, is today here present in Gaudium School. So I'm very happy to have you all here and to be a part of this wonderful event. Most importantly, I would like to acknowledge the fact that we have come a long way from baking soda volcanoes, from prisons, and from capillary action with oil and water which is being displayed. I'm sure VIT director would agree with this, that today's children are more scientifically aligned. They have more of scientific temper and they're more curious than we were as we were all children. And this is going to be the basis of India's development, India's scientific innovations in the near future. This also aligns with our Honorable Chief Minister's vision of Telangana Rising 2047, wherein we would like to promote scientific temper, experiential learning, not only in our schools but also in our polytechnic colleges and ITIs through our advanced training centers. So every child participating here today, you are representing your state. You are here because of your exhibits and your knowledge, your experience that you have, and also the future potential that you display to the entire jury members and the committees present here. I would like to urge each and every one of you to take a look at every other exhibit present. You're not here just to show your exhibit, but you're also here to learn from every other student participating here, every other teacher, and also from the NGOs who have put forward their exhibits also. So I request you all to go around, take a look at every single exhibit, learn from the experience, and become stronger for the subsequent years. The children participating here today are going to be the visionary scientists of tomorrow. Therefore, I urge the teachers also to guide them and also to support them in their visions. Majority of the models that they've prepared today must be prototypes, but these prototypes might become the real innovations of tomorrow. So I request VITM and also SCRT and School Education Department to provide them the necessary support which will help them build these prototypes further and make them into real inventions and innovations. School for providing us the venue and also the support for taking up the Southern India Science Fair in Telangana. I also thank all the supporting institutes like Narayana College, Resonance, and all the CSR donors like Latson and Aurobindo Pharma and Piyush, all of them for supporting us, along with the School Education Department and SCRT for providing us the sufficient budget and the support required to take up this particular program. I also thank all our district officers, press and media, and all the other officials assisting us in taking forward this program. I wish each and every participant all the very best in taking part in this Southern India Science Fair. I hope you learn, you also grow, and I wish you all a very successful 5 days stay in Telangana. I also know that you all have a plan for local sightseeing which is being arranged by the School Education Department. So we hope that you carry back with you memories of Telangana and Hyderabad which you will cherish for the rest of your future. and